From the NSAF, and we're here with Trip Piperi after a fantastic performance to win New Balance Outdoors. Trip, I think this is the happiest I've seen you since last summer in Cali, Colombia, when he won the World Youth. What was it today that went differently that enabled you to break those 72 and 73 foot barriers?
The last 2 weeks I've been really changing a lot of stuff in my form, and it just all came together. It was great. I had all the adrenaline going. I've been throwing with Bronson and Jordan at the same time since last summer, and it was just awesome. It really showed.
Tell us a little more specifically, what were a few of the technical things that you changed up in training? That
just kind of the sweep, staying lower in the back. That's kind of mainly what it was.
Had you had any long throws in practice that made you confident that you were going to PR today?
Well, I throw a lot shorter in practice, but I was hitting close to 70 this week, and I haven't done that in a while, so I knew it was going to be a big week.
So you were 70'9", I think, or 71 something in the prelims, correct?
Yeah, I think it was 71.8, or 70'8".
Then it was the fourth throw. Talk us through that fourth throw when you hit that 72.
Well, I really didn't expect it to come that early, but I just felt it, and it was a great release, and everything came together, and it was awesome.
Now, you probably knew in the back of your mind that Jordan's going to respond somehow, the way he's been throwing all year long.
Yeah.
So he throws 22-28 in the fifth round, I think, right?
Yeah.
So you come up in the sixth round. What's going through your head?
Well, I've got one more chance, and if I want to win, I better go all out.
Did you feel more confident than you had maybe in earlier meetings with him this year?
Yeah, I did. I felt really just great today. I haven't felt this great in a long time, and it really showed.
And then what was it like watching him on that sixth throw? Were you biting your nails a little bit, figuratively speaking?
Yeah, I was, and then he threw it real close, and I was like, oh, crap. And then I won, and he did amazing today. Bronson did amazing today. We all did great. I mean, making the podium took 65 feet, which is insane, so that's pretty great.
How satisfying is it? It's all year long you've been chasing 72, basically.
Yeah.
You wanted to beat that mark you had with a lighter shot at Worlds last year. Is there a sense of relief, too, or is it just like, so happy that you can't stay
It's just another mark, and I know I can throw farther, so we'll keep on going.
You feel like there's definitely more in the tank?
Yeah, definitely.
But now you're switching to the 6K ball, right?
Yeah.
You're going to be doing that have you had some good practices with that one?
Not really. Since I've really fixed stuff, it's kind of just been, it's been getting there, but this next week I'm going to really kind of work in what I've worked in with the 12 and see how that goes.
Okay. Well, thanks so much. Congratulations on getting your first New Balance title.